Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by provisioning the class notebook. This is the actionable step. Sign in with your Office 365 account, open OneNote and pick Class Notebook. Choose a clear name, assign yourself as teacher, then add students by email or group. This creates the shared structure. Once done, make sure the notebook has a content library, collaboration space, and individual student sections. You now have the skeleton ready, and you can move immediately to customizing permissions and sections for lessons. Next, you customize the notebook structure for teaching. Create specific sections like syllabus, assignments, and resources, and arrange pages logically. Use the Distribute Page or Distribute Section tool to send copies directly into each student's private space. This saves time versus manual copying. Also configure permissions. Make the content library read-only so materials stay intact, while the collaboration space remains editable for group work. Once configured, test by sending one sample assignment to confirm distribution and access. Finish by collecting work, grading, and ensuring everything syncs. Open each student's private section to leave feedback and grades inline, and use tags to mark completed items for quick filtering. Make sure students sync their apps or refresh the web version so changes appear everywhere. Desktop OneNote may need a manual sync. If something goes wrong, check permissions, license status, and OneDrive storage limits. These are common culprits. If needed, remove and re-add a student to reset access, and then redistribute the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.